What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and YouTube appears to be testing some more features for its YouTube iOS app. Last week we talked about how they were working on dark mode. Super excited to see that come to everyone in the future. And today when I checked, I noticed something new at the very top of my screen. It looks like stories will actually be making their way to YouTube. I honestly don't know how to feel about this. It seems pretty well integrated so far, and it's not available for everyone. You can only view it on a specific YouTube creator's channel right now, and that's only because I'm subscribed to the YouTube creators channel. So I assume that this will be expanding to more channels in the future, but it's still sort of weird to see this inside of YouTube. First it hit Snapchat years ago. They basically invented the story, and then it went to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter Moments, and it seems like every major platform now has the ability for users to post shorter videos that you can view for a limited time, or you can never set to expire depending on which service you're using. It's an interesting idea, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this down below. Do you think that adding stories to YouTube is a good idea? I really like stories. I like viewing them. I like creating them, but the YouTube app is starting to feel a little bit cluttered. It's a lot of information. You have social posts now showing up in your main video feed. You have videos there, what it was initially intended for, and now at the very top, you may be getting a row of stories soon from all the creators you're subscribed to. I also feel like there's too many platforms that are starting to support stories. I think it's a great way for companies to engage users on a more regular basis and then make them use the service longer or check it more frequently. But at the same time, when you have 4 major services launching stories, those are 4 services you have to check every single day if you want to keep up with everyone you're following. And it's a lot. I feel like if more companies continue to add stories to their services, you're just going to have to say, I'm only checking Instagram, or I'm only looking at Twitter Moments, or I'm on YouTube right now, I'm only going to look at these YouTube stories, because you're going to get burnt out on seeing either the same things from your favorite creators that you follow in multiple places, or burnt out on the idea of trying to keep up with what is happening socially everywhere. That's just my 2 cents on the matter. Once again, let me know what you think about this down below. Maybe this will be the best change ever. Maybe this will be the worst thing that ever happens to YouTube. Or maybe it won't even happen at all because this feature is just in testing and we don't know for sure that this is coming to everyone. That's going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed watching, it does help me out if you take 1 second to drop a like down below, and of course hit subscribe for more videos like this in the future. If you'd like to help support the channel, you can head over to iupdateos.com/merch, buy a t-shirt or hoodie. That would be incredible. For now, I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.